Okay, here's the situation. It is February 19th, 2024, and it's 50 degrees outside. Lawn's looking okay. It's all right. The snow got it a little bit, but there's still some green in there. We're doing all right, but it's 50 degrees outside. How can I not mow? I have to mow. Let's mow. Okay, so I got a couple things to do before I can actually mow. I want to reel mow it. I'm gonna bring the reel mower back this year into the front yard and get the Hudson Star back in action for the putting green. But as far as mowing the front yard goes, I've got a couple things to do first. I want to bring the leaf blower out here and just kind of blow everything off. There's leaves, there's junk, there's pebbles and things that have just accumulated over the winter. So gonna clean that up, gonna bring the Greens Master out front, gonna set the height of cut to 0.9 inches. Now why 0.9? Because I can. I want to say that I'm cutting it just under an inch. So 0.9, just under an inch. And then, what else do I have to do? Put some gas in the mower, check the reel to bed knife, make sure we're getting a clean cut, and then go for it in February. All right. So I just want to let you know that I am doing monthly giveaways this year. I made a video about this. That's disgusting. Gross. I'm doing monthly giveaways this year, and it's only through my email list that you can be entered to win. So if you're not already subscribed to my weekly email list, which is not spam, go and subscribe to that. And just by being an active subscriber, you are entered into monthly drawings. I do giveaways of my own stuff, other companies' stuff. Lots of stuff is being given away every month this year, all the way through December. Started in January, about to draw February. So you still have time. But if you want to win free stuff, go check out the giveaway. Go subscribe to the email list. There she is. Been sitting all winter, and there's no gas to be found inside of her. So just realized I probably should have carried a gas can with me, so we'll go get that right now. Okay, walk of shame. Here we go. Okay, we're back. I've got gas now. All right, so there we go. Found drier ground. Mowing in February. Never done that before. But nonetheless, now I have. In the books, and the lawn looks way better. Even when my son came home from baseball practice, he mentioned that it looks greener, and I agree. It looks way greener. Took the yellow tips from the frost damage off the top of the grass, cut that off, and made everything just look much cleaner. And got some stripes back in the lawn too, which is just, been waiting for that. So very happy to have that done. Felt good to be behind the lawnmower again. Really looking forward to this season. Make sure if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to sign up for the emails and be automatically entered to have a chance at winning the monthly giveaway. So thought I'd go ahead and do it. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.